Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're about to change your home screen now. Don't stall. Pick a launcher or confirm your phone's built-in options, then install an icon pack and a widget app. Choose a wallpaper that sets contrast and mood. Darker or lighter backgrounds change icon legibility. Backup or screenshot the current layout so you can revert if needed. Once done, apply the wallpaper and icon pack to see the immediate effect and prepare to refine grid and widgets. Now you refine the middle steps so the screen feels deliberate. Adjust the grid to control spacing. A 4x5 grid gives larger shortcuts. A 5x6 fits more content. Create folders for related apps and use short, clear labels so you scan faster. Add widgets and resize them, stacking where possible to save space. Align widgets to the grid to avoid visual clutter. Make sure gestures and swipe actions match how you use the phone so interaction is smooth and fast. Finish by polishing visual details and testing functionality. Tweak icon scale, hide or show labels, and fine-tune padding until rows and columns feel balanced. Test gestures, tap targets, and folder opening animations to ensure nothing interferes with daily use. Once satisfied, export or backup your layout so you can restore it later. If something breaks, revert to your backup or reset icon pack. If icons won't apply, clear launcher cache and reapply the theme to fix lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.